It's your big day. Okay? Get up. Come on. You need to wear this one because we're gonna do the race na. Okay? It's the big day today. Come on.
We prepared for a certain of months. Medyo naipit lang kami sa oras but we executed our trainings as well na katong sa mga ginaplano.
Good go.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Here, good morning here in the Neon Beach Resort for our Tribe of Ore 2025. And for the first time, we have a triathlon for kids.
Tribe of Ore started 2023. So this is our third edition for Tribe of Ore Triathlon. And this is the first time that we are going to have Tri Kids.
So karon na event is wala na dyan siya nagamit ng gear, the handpad, the fins, and then he swims alone. Kaya na jud niya i-pursue. Kato lang is the guide is still there pa. Kailangan pa jud siya i-guide. Pero hopefully is ma-unlock na mo na he could swim on his own. Yan.
Yes, Palmer, you can do it.
Kaya nga mga dagan sa bike is the problem lang dyan is the guide. Syempre, mawala siya sa focus. So muna nga, with the help of the coaches and then the support of the club, Snakehead Swimming Club, na tagaan na mo siya og certain nga dalan niya mismo. Butang na mo siya sa isa ka isolated area na ma-safe jud siya and then maka-move through siya sa iyang gusto nga speed. So far jud pag reach up pa lang nako kaganina sa finish line na feel jud nako nga kanang ang overwhelming ba mga naga-goosebump ko is it's my first time nga syempre the last time is only swim. So nahuman jud na mo ang swim, bike and run. Kaganina makita jud na ako si Palmer kung unsa ka kapoy, pero ihuman jud niya. So kaganina naga-goosebumps na ako dito pa lang sa kuan. Feel na jud na ako ang enjoyment. Basta dili na ko siya ma-express din.
Palmer, see you next year and continue to strive hard and strive to be better. Thank you for this opportunity to witness your perseverance and determination. And see you again next year.
I am Palmer Torres. I can swim, bike, run. That's an awesome journey.